to Motors Sports Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest specifications, and exciting automotive features. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to set high standards in design, performance, and technology. If you are considering a stylish, well-built, and fun-to-drive SUV, this review covers everything you need to know about Mazda's latest offering. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 maintains its reputation for premium styling and refined aesthetics. The exterior features Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, emphasizing smooth lines and a dynamic stance. The front grille has been updated with a more prominent and elegant look, complemented by sharper LED headlights that enhance visibility and add a sleek touch. The sculpted bodywork flows seamlessly to the rear, where new taillight designs and a revised bumper give the CX-5 a modern and sophisticated presence. With multiple alloy wheel options and a fresh set of color choices, the latest CX-5 offers both style and personalization for buyers looking to stand out on the road. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 delivers an upscale experience with high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with an emphasis on minimalism and functionality. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a larger touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless and intuitive. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with customizable displays, ensuring a modern and engaging interface. The seating is designed for maximum comfort, featuring premium leather upholstery on higher trims and improved cushioning for long-distance travel. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and reclining seatbacks, making the CX-5 one of the most comfortable SUVs in its class. Under the hood, Mazda continues to offer a range of powerful and efficient engines for the CX-5. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it an excellent choice for everyday driving. For those seeking more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine offers increased horsepower and torque, providing a more dynamic driving experience. Mazda's Skyactiv technology ensures that both engines deliver smooth acceleration and impressive fuel economy. Transmission options include a responsive 6-speed automatic gearbox that enhances driving dynamics, while Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system is available for added traction and control in various road conditions. Driving pleasure remains a key highlight of the CX-5, with Mazda engineering the SUV for a sporty and engaging experience. The steering is precise and well-weighted, providing excellent feedback to the driver. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to offer a perfect balance between comfort and agility, ensuring a composed ride over rough surfaces while maintaining stability around corners. The CX-5's well-insulated cabin reduces road and wind noise, creating a quiet and refined atmosphere inside. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus technology further enhances stability by adjusting engine torque and braking to improve handling and reduce driver fatigue during long drives. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is packed with advanced features to protect passengers and enhance driver confidence. Standard safety equipment includes multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Mazda's iActive Sense suite of driver assist technologies adds features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The high-strength body, structure and reinforced safety cage contribute to superior crash protection, making the CX-5 one of the safest options in its segment. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system are available on higher trims, further enhancing convenience and safety in tight spaces. Technology plays a crucial role in the 2025 CX-5, with several smart features designed to improve convenience and entertainment. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, offering navigation, voice control, and smartphone integration. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a premium Bose audio system provide an enhanced multimedia experience. The digital cockpit allows drivers to access vital information at a glance, while Mazda's heads-up display projects key details onto the windshield, reducing distractions. The keyless entry system and push-button start make daily usability effortless, and higher trims offer ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof for added luxury. Practicality is another strong aspect of the CX-5, making it a versatile choice for families and adventure seekers. The cargo space is generous, with a wide opening and a low loading height for easy access. The 40/20 split folding rear seats provide flexibility, allowing users to expand storage capacity as needed. Interior storage compartments and cup holders are thoughtfully placed throughout the cabin, ensuring that small items are conveniently within reach. The CX-5's fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs make it an economical option for those looking for a long-term SUV with high reliability. Mazda has also focused on sustainability by incorporating eco-friendly materials and improving fuel efficiency across the CX-5 lineup. The engines comply with the latest emission standards, reducing environmental impact without compromising performance. In some markets, Mazda may introduce hybrid or plug-in hybrid variants to further enhance efficiency and cater to environmentally conscious buyers. The use of recycled materials in certain interior components adds to the CX-5's sustainability efforts while maintaining a high level of quality and durability. Customization options for the 2025 CX-5 have been expanded, giving buyers more ways to personalize their SUV. Multiple trim levels offer different levels of features and styling elements, catering to a variety of preferences and budgets. Mazda also provides optional packages that include additional tech upgrades, enhanced safety features, and aesthetic enhancements. Accessories such